close, Jerry, but not quite.
Are you sure? I swear this is the loop of a yeah, this is a shopping cart.
Okay, what else?
Oh, this is your own pit bike. Oh.
Your neighbor popped out a couple over here. I gave her a wave. She like gave me like a.
He's gone.
I don't know if that was me or that was him.
The sheer power. All right. Oh God! Oh, shut it off! It's spraying oil! It's spraying oil! Oh God! Oh God! He revs it up on the side. What are you trying to do? Kill the thing, dude?
I don't know what I'm doing.
That was awesome.
Yeah, I guess first time was the charm there. She's a little trickier than I thought the second time around.
Yeah. Oh God. Oh, all right, boys, we're good. We're good. Such a virgin move right there.
Oh my God.
Safety first, boys.
You're fucking cooking.
It bottomed out so hard, my teeth were like snap. Like, oh,
The wheels.
holy fuck. I was like, well, we're gonna know. It's not that bad when you fall over.
Oh, you fell on the inside. That's a good way to fall.
Oh my God.
I hope that looked as funny as it felt. Dude,
Oh
when
my
I
God.
hit that bump, my jaw and my head were like,
It looks so smooth though. Like the long body, it's like those long body razors that just soak up everything, you know?
yeah, like the suspension is the cage. Like I felt like I flexed with the shopping cart.
Engineered like a true Canadian machine there, boys.
True go-kart.
True go-kart, yeah.
Oh shit!
Oh my God! There's no way! Oh my God! I don't know if he was doing that on purpose. There's no way! You crazy hothead! Oh shit! Oh my God! Oh my God! Nice! Right, watch out, eh? That's definitely red line. Oh my God! Oh my God, dude! There's no way! Oh my God! Holy shit!
Okay,
Holy shit!
so my light flashing on.
That was crazy! I thought, oh my God! You're so lucky. Was that luck or skill?
That was third gear there.
Are you
And I was
serious?
Just holding on.
Oh my God! I thought for sure you were gonna eat shit on the front side of that hill.
It's the nice thing is it's soft up here because like the first time when I was coming over that hump, I was like, oh, this is gonna hurt coming over that landing flat, but She's like, really, you know, it's like good for the soul. It's very peaceful. You
I
know?
bet it is. What do you think, Liam?
I thought that was fucking rad. I don't want to try it.
I don't want to try it.
Hop in there, Leo.
Yeah, hop in there, give her a try. It's just first gear, Leo.
First gear only gets you nowhere.
Oh God. Oh, get him going.
Arrow right there.
Yeah, I bet you did. It looked like he just rode off into the sunset.